In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a talking AI avatar just like this, one that can talk and help you make money from your Faceless channel, even while you're sleeping. And what's even better, the software is completely free.
Welcome back, guys. I'm Darlett. I know it's been a while since I last posted, but I thank you all for your patience. It has been over a year, but I had to take some personal times over the past year because I had some setbacks. But I am refocused and reset for this year. I'm still loving Canva, but from time to time, I will share with you all some new software, some new AI software that can better help you all with your faceless channels, and also to create, for your podcast or just new content in general. So guys, so that's about it. I'm ready to start. I'm not going to waste your time. Now let's get started. You in Chat GPT. You're gonna put in your prompt. The prompt that I used was help me create a talking avatar text to image prompt. I want her to be a light-skinned, beautiful African American lady in her 30s with hoop earrings on, red lipstick on, with a long high ponytail with black glasses, sitting inside of her car with a milkshake in her hand. And so this is the prompt that Chat GPT gave me. It literally gave me three, but I'm only going to use the first one. So I'll read it for you. You can copy and paste it. A realistic talking AI avatar, a beautiful light-skinned African American. But what I want to comb in on, guys, is that towards the end of it, okay, she's sitting in the driver's seat inside of her car, holding a milkshake in her hand, smiling confidently and looking directly at the camera. That's important, guys. Friendly, professional vibe. That's important. Natural soft makeup, bright daylight coming through the windows. That's very good too. Clear car interior, high resolution 4K, sharp focus, center framing, mouth clearly visible for speaking, front face symmetrical face. Okay, so once we got that, guys, guys, the tool that we will be using is called Pic Lumen, right? PICLUMEN. Okay, and then, guys, what you want to do is go to generate for free, as this is a free software, guys. Okay, so it will help you to create the image of your AI from your prompt. Okay, for your talking avatar. Okay, guys, so once that's done, you're gonna click generate for free. All right. And also, guys, since I've used this particular software before, in the beginning, guys, it will ask you to create an account or link it to your Google account. So just want to give you that for heads up. Okay. Okay, guys, the next thing you want to do is go to image. Okay, and right up here, guys, you're gonna the prompt that we got from Chat GPT, which we're gonna copy here. All right, copy, go back over here, and right up here on the prompt, you're gonna paste it. Okay, and then you're gonna click right here and click generate. All right, so let's give it a minute or two to generate and see what okay, so not too bad. I'm gonna because she has two straws, so let's fix that. Okay, so guys, I've added, have her wearing a yellow t-shirt with one straw inside her milkshake. Okay, and also at the bottom right here, make sure this has 16.9 because this is for YouTube. Okay, and then click generate. Okay, and once again, let's see what it'll give us. It's pretty quick, guys, honestly. Okay, so it's cute, right? So I'm gonna put on there. Do not cut out the milkshake. Okay, let's click generate again, okay? But other than that, I think she looks cute. I think this is pretty cute, okay? She's smiling, she looks happy. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is click the download button on the picture, okay? So all you have to do is hover over the picture and it will appear, okay? Click it because we got to go to our next tool to create this talking avatar, okay? Next step is go to Google and type in Remaker AI face swap, okay? This is what it will look like. It's at the top. Make sure you it has this logo, okay? Click on it. Now guys, this is optional, okay? This is if you want your avatar to look similar to you, okay? So if you want your avatar to look like you, upload the image that we just downloaded, okay? So this is her. And so right here, guys, this is where your personal picture would go, okay? So I'm going to upload my own personal picture, okay? So this is me, guys, okay? So the next thing you guys you want to do is click on model and it will generate. Now, if you do not want your avatar to look like you, you're going to skip the remaker, okay? Face swap. You're going to skip this step, okay? This is only if you want your avatar to favor you, okay? So the next thing, guys, that you're going to do is click model. And it's generating over here, guys, okay? Give it a minute or two. So this, I don't really like, how it made me look, so I'm just gonna keep this young lady here, okay? So we're gonna, but if you did, let's just say you did like your picture, all you have to do is download it, okay? It's that simple, okay, guys? But I'm not keeping this picture because I'm not a fan of how it, made her look, okay? Again, guys, now you could click model again and have it regenerate, and see what it gives you. Maybe it'll look better, the second time. Yeah, it's about the same. So I'll try it one more time. Um, but yeah, I'm just not feeling it. Okay, so let it regenerate again, guys. Maybe you'll have a better chance with your avatar and your personal face. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is go to Google and you're gonna type in Grok, Grok. Okay. It is this one here. You're gonna click on it. Okay. Open it up. You'll probably have to link either sign up or link it with your Google account. Okay. I've already done that part, so I'm gonna skip that part. Okay. What I'm gonna do is go over here, click on Imagine. Okay, come down here. We're gonna upload our file. Okay, open it. Okay, so there it is right there. I'm going to make sure that this does say make a video, and I'm going to tell it she is moving her, she is slightly moving her head and hands while she is talking. And then click the video to make the video, okay? It's just an arrow, okay? Doesn't take that long, okay? So I think it looks pretty good, okay? When you're done, just go over here and click the download button, okay? And there it is right there. Okay, guys, so once you log into your Canva account, you're gonna click on Video Landscape, okay? Once it's pulled up, click on Uploads on the left, and go to Video, and I'm gonna go down to the bottom and click blank. I'm gonna put her here. This video that we just got from Grok. Okay. Once that's done, I'm just going to duplicate her 3 times. I'll do it just four times just in case I need it. So guys, basically what we're going to do is go back to upload, record yourself, and we're going to generate a voice, an AI voice, okay, to go along with our picture, okay. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and this is what she's going to be saying, okay, and I'm going to place it here into the text. Lisa is selected. You can choose anyone you want. I've already listened to her. Then I'm going to generate the voice, okay? Okay, guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is went back and copy the next sentence. And the reason why we're doing it like this, because for whatever reason, ChatGPT will not let me expand it like maybe to 20 seconds or 27 seconds. So I'm having to do it the original Grok video that I uploaded. So once again, I pasted my prompt, what she's going to say, and I'm going to generate again. I'm going to move the line down this way. Okay, and then click generate again. Okay, and then I'm going to go on to the next one as well. Okay, guys, so once that's done, go back to the beginning and play.
In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a talking AI avatar just like this, one that can talk and help you make money from your Faceless channel, even while you're sleeping. And what's even better, the software is completely free.
Okay, guys, so that sounds pretty good to me. Go to the corner, click the share button to save it. Click download, download again. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.